Hey guys, I'm finally getting a sister's looks. Yeah, I've been really eyeing this guy, but I've not gotten the mind to do it. But finally, I have decided, and nothing is taking me back. Yeah, you know that time you're tired of seeing your hair all over the house when you comb your hair? Eh? This is the current situation of me. Like, I'm tired of seeing my hair. Like, take a look. These are my hair. Anytime I comb my hair, this is what you see. You see the floor? That's my hair. And I'm done combing this hair. I'm not combing again. Like, look at my hard end hair on the floor. Man, I know you might be saying this is not much compared to you, but man, this is much for me. And I'm done. And finally, I am taking up Sister's locks. Yeah, I'm going for locks. But the reason why I've not done this for a very long time is that I was thinking with locks you don't have a variety of style to rock on your hair, like you can't switch styles. But I think I'm wrong. I've done my research and I know with locks you can still style your hair anyhow you want. And I don't want a random common locks in my area. This sisters locks or twist locks is not common here, and I really want to go for it. And yeah, we're getting ready to get it done, and I'm rocking my favorite style, which is high puff. This is gonna be the last time I'm gonna see myself on this style, and I decided to rock it for the last time. And this is what I'll be going with: aloe vera gel. I'm not using any lock gel, maybe locks gel, whatever. I'm just using this aloe vera gel and this cotton comb on my comb, of course. My hair is already moisturized, creamed, and all of that. I'm just going with these few things, and I'm just gonna hit down the street, and any first salon I see, I'll just enter. And for the fact that I understand, I've taken my time to study this sister's locks, and I know how it's being done. I'm not going to a loctician or anything. It's just a random salon very close to my house. I'll just walk down, yeah, and get it done. Yeah. So let's go. So we are there. I'm there in the salon and sitting pretty. Yeah, I'm ready to get this style done. And here I'm still contemplating. Am I sure I'm ready for this? Am I really sure? Yeah, well, yeah, I've decided I'm going for it. Yeah, we are going for it, girl. So I'm still sitting and I'm ready to get started. I had to unravel this tie for the last time and sitting pretty. This is my stylist that will be making the hair for me, and of course the normal way. She just went ahead to start cutting the hair straight up, straight up, straight up. I said no, 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 no. This is not what I want. I'll be taking you through the process, so you're gonna cool down while I direct. So I told her to part the hair into section, so that it will be easy for her to do. I need the clean cutting and all of that. I showed her a picture of what I want. I'll be a video of what I want, Bam. I directed her and she understood what I was saying, and voila! She sectioned the hair, and this is what we have after sectioning the hair. And I think we're ready to start working in section. Okay. So guys, this is the next day and we are fully done with the twists. At this point, I wasn't really understanding this twist. Like I wasn't feeling it at all. I was still trying to understand and like I was still trying to like the style and feel the style, but no, at this point in time, your girl wasn't feeling the style. I wasn't feeling it. But yeah, what do you think about the style though? But seriously, at this time, this is the next day after making the hair, but I wasn't liking it. To be honest, I wasn't really liking it. I wasn't liking the outcome. And I'm still trying to encourage myself to like it. But yeah, I wasn't liking it. And this is 2 weeks on this same tweet. After 2 weeks, this is what we have. I'm gonna show you guys. It's really um looking okay. Yeah, this is 2 weeks after I did the hair, and I think I started liking the hair like after 2 weeks of making the hair. That was when I started feeling the hair. Can you see the hair? I think it's my face is really getting used to it, and it's is looking gradually. Like as you can see, I'm really loving it now. For the fact that you can just wake up in the morning and just remove your hairnet, you're off. It was a very good thing. And of course, I love switching styles, and I think I can achieve it with this. And yeah, was really liking it. Okay, you guys, do let me know what you think about the style, and I can't really wait for it to reach 1 month. Like I wonder how it looks in 1 month. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys. I'll be taking you guys along. If you want to know how we transition fully into full locks with this two strands twist, yeah, you keep in touch. Click on that subscribe bell and notification bell because I'll be updating us on the progress. Like I was loving the style. This is my go-to style. I'm always on. I'm a side part girl, and I think I love it this way more than center parts. But yeah, I can still switch to center parts, and man, I'm loving it. Mind you, yeah, I can't really wait for my first retire. I'll be retiring after 1 month. Like I'll be locking it after 1 month, and I'll be taking us along. And guys, if you want to see how this twist will finally transition into full loss, smash that notification bell to know when I upload new videos, and stay blessed. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.